What's going on, you guys? It is me in CGDRP back on your screen video, brand new video here in Greenville, Wisconsin. If you guys are new here, make sure to smash that button down below to join me and CGDRP Seconds. And today, me and my son are going to be buying a brand new Kia Sportage. I am so excited, guys. And guys, finally we got our house decorated for Christmas. I am so excited. And tomorrow is Christmas. My grandmother actually bought me that car for my Christmas present. Okay. Good morning, son. Are you excited to buy our new Kia? Good morning, son. Are you excited to buy our new Kia? Yes. Okay. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Let's go. Lock the door here. Hey guys, I want to tell you guys something. We actually did get a window cracked us. Our neighbor, Karen, did that to our vehicle, so she made us quite upset with her. But, alright, we'll get a new car anyway. I think we can fix this thing up. The hood kept trying to fall too, so I literally had to put pliers, I mean. Excuse me, guys, I'm sorry. Head down the main road right now. This car will be fixed anyway. I just hope we can make it to the dealership. Oh, we will soon, don't worry. This car always has a hard time starting. You know, right? Gosh. It's trash. At the dealership right now. Oh my gosh! Come on, son. You're excited to buy our new car. Okay. Hello, sir. How may I help you today? Hey, we would like to buy that new 2026 Kia Sportage out there that you got. Yeah, it's gonna be like, oh my word, guys, it's snowing hard. Oh my gosh. Son, you're not even wearing a coat. Are you kidding me? Oh my word, he's gonna get sick. Oh my gosh. Well, here's the new car right here. This is our brand new 2026 Kia Sportage. Wow, how much are you asking for this car? I would say probably around, I'm asking $30,000 for this thing. $30,000? That's quite expensive. So if you go get our card out of the vehicle, Yeah, I'll go do that right now. Alright, thank you, son. Mm-hmm. Come back. Get back in. Gosh. Yes. Alright, go ahead and give the money, son. Alright. Okay, sir, I'll take the keys, okay? Alright, sir. I'll take these keys. Alrighty. Thanks. Alright, son, we're going to get back home because this is a really bad snowy condition. Come on, son. Oh, wow, this is so cool. Oh my word! Let's think about our old piece of junk Honda now. I know, throw a lot of that down. Yeah, I know, right? First one hard. My car can handle this. Oh my gosh, come on. Yes, Gordon, you got this. Come on. Hybrid's gonna do really well this one, not gonna lie. Yeah. Oh my word, are you kidding me? Oh gosh. Oh my god, my son fell! Oh my word, let me go check on him. Oh my gosh, son, where are you? Where are you, huh? Oh my word, where is he? Oh my gosh, son, are you okay? Oh no, I'm not okay at all. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Well, the Kia seems alright, okay? I'm sorry that happened. Oh my word, can we go home? Yeah, we'll go home, son. I'll treat you, okay? Got in the vehicle. Oh my word, it looks like the Kia's a little bit damaged there, but just a little scratch, but it's okay. Oh my word, a Kia is scratched. Oh my word. This is crazy. Oh my word. Oh son, we're gonna have to get to the repair shop and get this car fixed. Yeah, come on, let's go. I'll drop you off home and then I'm taking this car to the repair, okay? Okay. This Kia lost control, can ya? No, I can't. I'm not feeling so well. I think I hurt my back. No, so we're gonna have to go to the hospital after I take this car into the shop. my gosh. Oh my gosh. Luckily, Kia can handle snow though. But I don't know what made it. I think the steering was starting to act up or something. I don't know. Gosh, gosh. Alright, son, you go ahead and rest, okay? Go take some meds inside. Oh, no, I don't want to go to the firehouse. Wait. Gosh. I'm just gonna go to this place. Oh my word, oh my word. Well, it's gonna take us about 30 minutes to get to work here. And then we're gonna have to head back home and check on this phone. I'll have to be calling in. And my car is in the shop. Stuff, I'm gonna call in and see their place. I'm driving the car to go inside the garage. I'll call my son to see he's doing okay. Like, this is crazy. I can't believe it. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys do, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.